Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to use your blender to peel your beans. So you soak your beans in the lukewarm water for about an hour to 30 minutes depending on your type of beans. If it is the brown beans, then it goes for 20 minutes, but if it's the white beans, it takes longer, an hour to 30 minutes. It's okay for it. For you to know that the beans is soft and ready to peel, when you pick one of the beans and you use your hand to try to peel it off, you see the skin comes off easily. That is when you know your beans is ready for peeling. So pour the beans in your cup and make sure the water you are adding overshadows your beans. This is very important. So you blend your beans on the high speed or the medium speed. I tried to reduce the water because it was too much. So make sure you are blending on the high speed or the medium speed, depending on the speed of your blender. Some blenders have 1, 2, 3. So I will recommend that you use the 2 or the 3. Then run it for about 5 times. So for the second run, I'm going to also still do the same process. But in this process, what is most important is that your water is overshadowing the beans in the cup. It must not be at the same level with the beans, because if it is at the same level, then you're trying to get a result that it seems like when you're blending your pepper, and you don't want that kind of smooth result. What you're looking for is for your beans to peel off, for the skin of the beans to peel off. So your water must overshadow your beans. This is the most important thing. Then press the high button, run it for about 5 times, or you just press it once and go straight. But so that you don't spoil your blender, it's better you go back and forth for 5 times. And that is it. You can see that the skin that is different from the beans. You can see the white beans, you can see the dark skin of the beans separate. Get your sieve and a bowl underneath, then separate your beans from the skin. You can see the skin came out separated. So I did this for about 5 times, then changing the water. I was changing the water as I went on. You can see the final result. Try this at home, and I can tell you your moin and akara is ready to go. Thanks for watching this channel. Try to subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.